We are on our way to Chicago. Bye-bye, Crackle. Bye, Papa. We are here at Terminal B at LAX, heading to Chicago. We just passed by the most stressful part of traveling. TSA. It's not bad. It went by very fast and smoothly, and I noticed that there was less yelling. This is the inside of Tom Bradley International Terminal. Mom, what are you most excited about to see in Chicago?
The beans.
As always, we are looking for food. I'm not hungry, but this is part of the airport experience to buy overpriced nutrition. We found the food we want. Panda Express. This is the food court over here. Quite a few options. We got Panda Express. We got 2 bigger plates with 3 entrees, 2 waters, and a drink. So I forgot to pack masks. Luckily they have a 5-piece here. And guess how much it is? Please comment below. Everyone's luggage looks so organized. All right, Miguel, give me a tour of your luggage.
This is the first floor. The second floor. Potential souvenirs.
We are boarding now. 28. So what's the first thing you do when you get on the plane?
Lick every.
So American Airlines has free Wi-Fi and there's free entertainment like movies to watch on your phone. Taking off now. Bye Los Angeles. Hello Chicago. We have some complimentary beverages. Alright, salud. Mom got me a glass of wine.
21.
Happy birthday. Yeah. One, two, salud. Happy birthday. Finally landed at O'Hare International Airport in Chicago. How was the flight, Miguel?
It was good. It was sleepy and very turbulent.
Good wine.
Good wine though. Yeah. The wine made it less turbulent.
This is the area where they filmed Home Alone, and Macaulay Culkin is running. And what happens? He dropped his Talk Boy.
He's trying to change the batteries of his Talk Boy. He loses his family. He
Aw.
goes to a different gate.
So there's 2 ways to get to downtown from the airport. Either take the train or take rideshare. I asked ChatGPT what to do and it asked me, do you want to prioritize safety or save money? We're here at Central Loop Hotel.
Room 1408.
We are on the 6th floor. Ooh. Wow, nice. Thank you. Wow. We got treats. We got a mini kitchen. Oh wow, there is a couch room. Hello. And then the bedroom. Nice. The Elephant and Castle restaurant under our hotel is closed already, but there is Jimmy's Heroes, which is open till 5. This is Jimmy's Heroes and Grill.
Can I get a hot dog instead?
What'd you order, Miguel?
We ordered our very first Chicago style.
They got their hot dog Chicago style, and I got my hero.
On Route 66.
Aww.
So this is the Route 66 where it begins. We're walking toward the sign right now of the beginning of Route 66. And above, that is the L train. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's probably the area. Yeah. In the movie My Best Friend's Wedding, there is a scene where Julia Roberts is eating a hot dog under the L train. Oh, sige. Okay, wrong one, wrong one, wrong one.
Teka, baka mamunod. Pakita no ba? Saan mo ito no?
Oh, right here. Oh, there you go. That's the sign. Route 66.
Ito kuya, take a picture of this. This is the ano, ang ganda malinis. And the street, Adam Street.
This is the beginning of the historic Route 66. And in the background, you can see the Willis Tower. It says on Apple Maps, this 7-Eleven is open 24 hours. So let's see if it is. Ah, they're closed. So the 7-Eleven is closed, but this food and deli.
Pero they're about to close na rin, ano?
We're here to get some drinks and some water.
There's lemonade.
And see if there's any good snacks we can have to munch on. We got some extra snacks, some noodles, late night noodles. We get hungry.